Hello, we will read the class 3 English for today books, and the first page some contents include, and unit 1 we can see that greetings and introductions, also a school picture and a boy and a girl, they are introducing themselves. The girl says that, "Hi, I am Ria," and the boy answered that, "Hello, I am Meshuk." And the teacher's name is Mrs. Fariha, and the girls and boys, actually they are students, and they are asked the teacher, "How are you?" And the teacher answered that, "Hello Ria and Mashuk, I am fine, thanks." Introducing a student. "Hello, I am Ria Islam. I am 8 years old. I am a student. I am in class 3 at Rajbari Primary School." Introducing a teacher. Unit 2. This is Mahbub Alam. He is 30 years old. He is an English teacher. He works in a primary school in Norail. And the Unit 3 dialogue. Kia, Ria and Mashuk. "Who is that?" "That's Kia. She is a new student." Mashuk, "Hello Kia, I am Mashuk. Where are you from?" Kia, "I am from Khulna. And you?" Mashuk, "I am from Sylhet, and so is Ria." This is Unit 3 part dialogue. Their conversation is, "Where do you live?" "I live near the school." "Would you like to come to my house?" "I would like that, thank you. Sorry, but I can't." "Would you like to play with me?" "Yes, I would like that, thank you. Sorry, but I can't." Okay. Unit 5 commands and instructions inside the classroom. Here some pictures are shown that, and this is board, duster, chalk, flag. Take the chalk, go to the board, clean the board with the duster, draw our flag. Some comments: stand up, raise your hand, stand up, touch your ear, exercise, eat fruit, drink water, go to sleep early. Stand up, Galib, don't stand up, Said. Unit 7. We can see that picture: bed, shower, uniform, breakfast. Put on your uniform, take a shower, get out of bed, eat your breakfast. And Unit 9, teacher advise the students, please stand in a line, please don't talk, listen to the national anthem, sing the song. Put your bag down, change your clothes, help me in the kitchen, wash the eggs, please. Can you give me your English book? Sure, here it is. Can you close the window, please? It's raining. Yes, of course. Could I have a cup of water? Yes, here you are. Could I open the window, please? It's hot. Yes, sure. We can see a rhyme. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Raise your hand if you know the day. This is called names of the days. Another rhyme here. There are 30 days in September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, not February, it's a different one. It has 28, that's fine. A leap year makes it 29. A farmer grows food, a doctor helps people, a pilot flies a plane, a blacksmith makes metal things. A cobbler mends shoes, a tailor makes clothes, a driver drives a bus, a teacher teaches at a school. Occupations. I make clothes, I mend shoes. In my plane I can fly very high in the sky. What do they do? Unit 23. Read. I am a cat in the morning. I am lazy and slow. I get up late. In the afternoon I am active. I catch rats. I am quick. I am a clean animal. I wash myself every day. What do they do? I am a crow. I live in a tree. I get up early in the morning. I am active all day. I fly in the sky and look for food. Sometimes I take food from people. I am very quick. Sometimes I eat dirty things. What are you doing? I am doing homework. What are you doing? I am watching TV. I am reading, coloring, eating. I am getting up. I am drawing. I am writing. They are planting seeds. They are watering plants. They are washing their hands. They are eating oranges. The cow and the frog. The cow is eating grass. The frog is sitting on the grass. The frog looks at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big, so the frog eats some grass. The frog grows bigger. The cow looks at the frog and thinks, how strange, the frog is eating grass. The frog is happy, the frog eats more grass. Punctuation and capital letters. It is Sunday morning. Ria and Mashuk are at school. They are in the schoolyard with the teachers, Mr. Mahbub and Mrs. Fariha. Hi, I am Ria. What's your name? I am Shanta. I am in class 3. Are you in class 3? Yes, I am. Mrs. Moore is a teacher. Kamal, Mariam and Fahmi are her students. Kamal, can you close the window please? Yes, Miss Mori. Maliha is Bangladeshi. She comes from Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Maliha lives near the Buriganga river. The river is very big. In June, July and August there is a lot of rain in Bangladesh. Fazal and Saiful are playing near the pond. Fazal says, listen Saiful, there are frogs here, let's see them. Fazal is happy. I have an idea. Saiful says, he throws a stone. Stop, Fazal says. The frogs swim away. Sorry, Saiful says. My family, I am Tisha, I am a student. I am in class 3. There are 4 people in my family. My mother is a teacher. My father is a banker. My brother is 2 years old. I am Radif, my friend. I am Radif. I am 8 years old. Onik is my friend. He is 8 years old too. We go to Rajbari Primary School. We are in the same class. Onik sits next to me. In the afternoon, we play football. Sheep, sheep, bean, sleep, sieve, show. Banana, papaya, carrot, bread, roti, rice, chicken, milk, juice, honey, lentils, tea. Tomato, cucumber, lettuce, pineapple, chips, chocolate, ice cream, burger. We should eat healthy food. Healthy foods are fruits like pineapples and papayas, vegetables like carrots, lettuce, and tomatoes are also healthy. We should not eat too much unhealthy food. Unhealthy foods are ice cream, chocolates, chips, and burgers. Burgers are meat, but they are not very healthy. We should not eat too many of them. What food should we eat? I like fruit, bananas and papayas are my favorite food. I also like vegetables. Cucumbers are my favorite vegetables. To drink, I like juice. Cleanliness and be healthy. We should wash our hands and with soap before and after meals. You should brush your teeth every morning and every night. You should clip your nails. You should keep your nails clean. Hello, how can I help you? I would like some soap, please. Anything else? No, thank you. That's 20 taka, please. Here's your change. Thanks. The crow. It is summer. Mother crow and her young crows are living in a nest. The nest is above a cornfield. Every morning, Mother crow flies away to get corn. She leaves the young crows. One morning, the farmer comes to check his corn. He does not see the nest. Mother crow is not in the nest. Crow is not in the nest, but the young crows see the farmer. They are afraid. In the afternoon, Mother crow comes back. The young crows say, "Is it time to leave the nest, Mother?" Mother crow says, "No, it's not time yet." The crow. The next morning, the young crows see the farmer again. There is another man with him. The man sees the nest. Mother crow comes back. The young crows say to their mother, "Is it time to leave now?" Mother crow says, "No, it's not time yet." The next day, the young crows see the farmer and the man again. The man has a stick. Mother crow comes back. She sees the farmer and the man with the stick. The crow. The young crow says, "Is it time to leave the nest now, Mother?" "Yes, Mother," crow says. "Now it's time." Okay, thank you. And here's some vocabulary, and it's so important. If we read properly our English for today books and vocabulary also, it's improve a lot. So thank you all.